we had this signal. Yeah. Oh, yes,
Kepi, this side.
Care.
Care. Care.
Our friend from Gulf Today, Sharjah. Where is he gone? Yeah. Mr. Pereira.
Pereira. Look this side.
And of course, the gentleman who has done wonders today here with the pictures and art plaques, Mr. Gopal.
Gopal. Yes. Thank you.
And we have another veteran with us from Khaleej Times, Cherian. Where is he? Cherian would be around the bar.
Cheer up.
Yeah.
No. Not Cherin.
There is another time. Thank you very much, Mr. President.
Shakil bhai.
From the Ajman Cricket Council, we have Razak Shah. On behalf of the Dubai Cricket Council, a veteran umpire again, James Anthony.
James. Yeah, okay.
And Sharjah Cricket Council has nominated Iftikhar Ali. All the four umpires get a plaque and a cash award of 1,500 dirhams each. May I request Sham Bhatia also to join Wasim Bhai in giving away the awards? We now start with the cricketers in the junior division. And the first award is the Best Bowlers Prize. In 6 matches of Ajman Cricket Council, in 25-over matches. Nasir Aziz of Eurocon picked up 12 wickets for 115 runs at an average of 9.58 runs per wicket. He had a best haul of 4 for 10. He gets a cash award of 1,500 and a plaque. Nasir Aziz. The best batsman is Azhar Gul of Emirates Islamic Bank. He played 5 matches and in 5 innings he scored 354 runs in the Bukhatir League B division at an average of 70.80 and also got 7 wickets for 140 runs. Azhar also gets a cash award of 1,500 plus a plaque. In the junior division, the best all-rounder award goes to Shafqat Ali Khadim Hussain of ETA Ascon. He scored 257 runs in Ajman Cricket Council 25 overs tournament with 1 century and 2 50s and also bagged 16 wickets for 94 runs. Gets a cash award of 2,500 plus a plaque. We then come to the senior division, and this is the 50-over matches which Mr. Shyam Bhatia was talking about. Currently, we only have the Bukhatir League, which is conducted by the Sharjah Cricket Council. So all the award winners in the A division are from the Bukhatir League. The best bowler is somebody who's known more for his batting and was selected in the ICC Dream Team after having played in the ICC qualifying rounds. And that is Saqib Ali of New Medical Center. He picked up 11 wickets, giving away 144 runs. He gets a cash award of 3,000 dirhams plus a plaque. The best batsman is Ramiz Shehzad of Newcap Telecherry. We selected him over another senior player because we felt it was much better to recognize youth. He's played 4 matches and he scored a total of 282 runs at an average of 141 runs. He also gets a cash award of 3,000 dirhams. The best all-rounder is Amjad Javed of Fly Emirates. Amjad has had a very good season. He's played for the UAE and for his team Fly Emirates. He played in 6 matches, scored 303 runs at an average of 50 and also got 9 wickets for 258 runs. Gets a cash award of 4,000 dirhams plus a trophy. This is the first time that we are instituting an award for the youth, and Shyam felt that it was time that we introduce the inter-school category in our awards, this new tournament. The best bowler award goes to Tanmay Anand of Combined Schools. He picked up 13 wickets in the Rosy Blue Inter-School Cricket Tournament, giving only 65 runs and has an average of 5 runs per wicket. Gets a cash award of 1,500 plus a trophy. The best batsman is Kailash Chotalia of Dubai Modern High School. Incidentally, he was also the best batsman in the Green Valley Inter-School Cricket Tournament. He scored 206 runs in 5 matches. The best all-rounder award goes to Adil Khalil of Arab Unity School. who were the eventual champions of the Green Valley Inter-School Cricket Tournament. Adil scored 319 runs, scored 350s, a high score of 78, and also got 3 wickets and helped his team win the tournament. He gets a cash award of 2,000 plus a trophy. Thank you, Shanta. Thank you.